What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're just going to take a look at some really cool bands for your Gear S3 watches. And it does not only just fit your Gear S3, but it should fit your Moto 360 2nd Gen, and basically any watch that uses a 22mm band. Now they do have these available in different sizes, so I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy it, and where you can also find the size that you need. But today we're going to take a look at these awesome bands, and they come in a variation of colors, and they're really stylish, really sporty looking. And I have a few colors, so let's take a look at them and see how they look on the Gear S3. So let's take a look at the packaging and open up this one. Let's start with the white band, as everyone needs a nice stylish white band for the summer. That's just how you do, especially here in New York. You gotta have that white band during the summer. So packaging is really nice. You got a nice little thank you card from Kades if you like their product. And let's see what else we have. Let's put the band aside. And here you have like a SIM ejection tool and 2 extra quick release pins. Let's see. Yes, so this does have already your quick release pins on the band itself. So this is just a couple extra. I actually like that. And let's take this apart. The quality of this band feels really nice. It's not super flexible at all, so that means it's a quality band. And the single band will cost you $9.99 on Amazon. Again, I'll leave a link where you can purchase these in the description below. Or they have a nice 3-pack, which I'll get into. And basically, it's buy 2, you get 1 free. But I'll get into this in a minute. Let's just install this and see what it looks like on the Gear S3. And if you want to check out this metal band, this card just popped up, and I'll leave it in the description below. So again, these quick release pins just make it super simple, really quick. You can change out these bands in a flash. And that's basically it. Wow, so this looks awesome. I think this one on the Black Frontier looks absolutely beautiful. And let's take a look at the back. Really nice. And let me just show you how this mechanism works. Basically, you slide the strap underneath like so. And then you just pick a size and pop it in. This is what it looks like on the wrist. Again, a really, really nice, high quality band. Definitely changes up the look of your smartwatch. I really like this. And again, I like this white and black. I think it's really nice with the Black Frontier. Once you lock in this band, it is going to be very secure. I don't see this popping out very easily at all. Even applying some pressure, this is not coming off at all. So really nice. Let's take a look at some of the other bands here that I have. So again, this is a 3-pack, and they have some other color variations of a 3-pack if you want. The 3-pack here will cost you $19.99 as of this video. So it's basically buy 2, you get 1 free. And I think everyone should definitely go for this 3-pack. You're not just going to want one band. Trust me, I know. So let's take a look at what we get in here. Let's take these bands out. So inside this packaging, we have 2 of these, I'm going to call them SIM ejector tools. And then we have 3 quick release pins. Whereas when you just bought the 1 single, you have 2 extra quick release. So they gave us 1 extra quick release pin in here. Still good to have. So the colors I chose in this 3-pack, as you see, I chose the red one, I chose the green and black, and then the gray and black, as I think these are the best colors for the Black Frontier, in my opinion. But let's take a look. They also have a nice blue and white, which I really was thinking about as well. This is the red one, the red and black on the Gear Frontier. Definitely looks super cool with this Frontier version. And let's be honest, if you do have the Frontier, I think any band will look really nice on it. But let me show you what this one looks like on the wrist. This is the red and black on the wrist with the Gear Frontier again. Really, really stylish. I definitely like this with the holes in it. Really a nice band. Once you snap in this clip, you're pretty much good to go. And one thing to note with this style is that the strap actually folds into the wrist as well. So that adds for a little extra security. But trust me when I say this will not fall off very easily. And now this is the green and black as well. Really nice on the Frontier. Excellent quality. Really, really nice. You have your metal clip right here. Let me show you what this one looks like on the wrist. Super stylish. Again, any of these bands from Kades that you choose are going to look really nice. So this is the gray and black. Very stylish, very comfortable to wear. One thing to note about these bands, they are very comfortable, very soft. These are really excellent quality bands. They really surprised me. I really like them. The size is perfect, will fit most wrists in my opinion. And just the color options, I really like this white one the most, and the red one, and this one. Actually, I like all of them really the same. I will be swapping these out quite frequently, as that's what I do. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, that's what you're going to do as well. I really like them, especially the 3-pack. I think that's the best value for your money. But as always, I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, as that helps me out the most. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.